So this is how, when it comes to this civil services part, so and then people relate to the Hollywood thingy. If we not mention Hollywood, but अगर हम बाहर ममालिक के किसी भी जगह की बात करें, and then Hazim goes there, he records his songs and albums and everything, and then he comes back. तो मुझे लगता है इसलिए भी बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज़ को relate नहीं कर पाते कि यार.
I understand.
Which is why I had this question to clarify it, you know.
I agree, absolutely, completely agree. I think your lifestyle है, it is a very hectic, very different, because मैं in a way दो careers को juggle कर रहा हूँ.
Exactly.
So I understand the question, and it's a lot of people cannot relate.
Okay.
I don't think government को relate कर सकता है, because यहाँ मैं सुबह ऑफिस में होता हूँ, फिर शाम को मैं कोई फोटो शूट कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, या मैं fly off कर रहा हूँ premiere में. But if there was a question about it, अभी जो next नया गाना निकला है, I'll do it. It's with Pitbull.
Oh.
And Pitbull is on this track.
This is okay.
Yeah. So if
right,
there were
fine.
questions, I think they answer, and I'm still holding office.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know what else. How can I balance
just
it?
by the way, I can sing in English as well, so I can really sing English
on the upcoming album.
Yeah, please.
We'll have definitely.
So, other than that, you've told me that you are a fine artist as well.
Yes.
तो उस कहानी की तरफ भी जा रहे हैं थोड़ा सा कि are you still a fine artist? I mean, do you practice or you've left it completely?
No, completely left. ये beginning of it was self discovery वाला time था.
सही है.
Doing self discovery, मैंने काफी चीजों में tap in किया था. एक side मेरी बड़ी academic है.
सही है.
That's why I did my LLB. I was really interested in law. At the same time, मैं arts में बहुत interested था.
So why did you never go for LLB, or you went for LLB?
I did. I finished it, and then I came to the job. तो ये दोनों मुझे expand करने थे.
Sorry if I forgot to mention, he's a lawyer as well. Introduction में.
Not practicing lawyer.
Yeah, not practicing lawyer, but this is why you have such a groomed personality. I personally assume, because you have been in different.
Yes.
This is
I've played with different things. उनको full-fledged अपना degree की, यहाँ की full understanding and knowledge, यहाँ की, because दोनों में मैं interested था. Academics में था. As an artist, I'm also really interested in creativity.
Okay.
तो मैं दोनों में properly endorsed to mingle करता हूँ. So yeah, one side पे as an artist with a artistic take, and यहाँ as an administrator या policy maker.
Okay.
My mind works in those
exactly.
dimensions. Yeah.
So like, you've always been multitasking, like you know, and multi-personality. कि ये भी वो भी साथ साथ.
By all means.
This is impressive, to be very honest.
Thank you.
Okay. My next question is that since your father is a retired DIG, मेरा सवाल ये है कि क्या कभी उन्होंने पुश किया आपको कि नहीं यार, अगर मैं इस फील्ड में हूँ तो you have to join the same field, or whatever you're doing, आप जो कर रहे हैं वो सही नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप गलत कर रहे हैं, you should be like, you know, following the family bloodline. जैसे you mentioned your younger brother is a DSP now, which was maybe वो भी it wasn't pre-planned as well, or it was pre-planned?
His was pre-planned.
Okay, but yours wasn't.
No, mine wasn't. No.
So did he or anybody else from your family ever push you कि Hazim, why music? Hazim, why fine artist? Or Hazim, why LLB?
They pushed me to दूसरी बात पे. Why government? भाई क्यों assistant? They pushed me the opposite thing. Because मैं तो set था ना. I was traveling. I was doing what I do here, over there, and I'm set. तो उन्होंने कहा एक और क्यों यहाँ ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why? What's the point of it? This they were not in favor of.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a new thing, by the way.
Yeah, they're not in favor of this.
Because usually होता ही है ना कि जो लोग जिस profession से होते हैं, they literally push their children कि यार आप इसी side पे आ जाएं. Because in Pakistan, I'm sorry to say, but it hardly happens कि कोई आपको motivate करे कि अच्छा आपको ये ना चले ठीक है आप करें, we are going to support you.
No.
But in your case, if this happened, you're lucky enough.
Yeah, they're like no.
You're literally lucky enough.
Yeah, he support me.
And being in Karachi, like after coming back from there to Karachi, Pakistan, and you know that I won't say majority, but बहुत सारे हमारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत conservative mindset के साथ हैं. तो the fashion changes that you brought ever since you joined the civil services, तो उस पे कुछ comments वगैरह मिले आपको?
Oh yeah, every day, all day.
तनकीद वगैरह या
anything? Yeah, all the time. रोज हमेशा.
Like, could you please name any of it कि यार ये क्या वो क्या?
Yeah, कुछ लोग तो बहुत creative हैं. They give outfits names.
हैं?
Yeah.
For example?
Somebody said I was on this red carpet at premiere or something, and somebody said Papa Ki Pari, or somebody said Batman. Somebody said something, and I really enjoyed that. I really enjoy it. I personally enjoy it. I don't ये मैं इतना personally नहीं लेता हूँ या दिल पे नहीं लेता हूँ. Because I'm not asking you to do the same. मैं थोड़ी किसी को कह रहा हूँ कि आप भी
exactly. या मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because I want you guys to follow me and do exactly the same thing.
I like it, I want to, and why shouldn't I?
Okay.
अगर आपको मसला है, then you should go talk to the companies who are producing it.
हाँ, exactly.
I'm not, मैं तो नहीं कहा कि produce करो.
Exactly. जो designers हैं उनको पकड़े आप, यार आप ये क्यों बना रहे हैं आप?
Yeah, don't tell me. Available is, I'm going to obviously buy it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And another interesting question is that कि अगर मैं आपके पास दो options रखूँ, that if you follow your artistic career, या तो फिर उसके साथ साथ the civil services that you are into and you're like, you know, helping people and doing a lot for the country, for the city. If you have only one option to choose, या तो आप उस साइड पे जाएं या तो फिर आप इस साइड पे हैं, then which one are you going to choose?
I will always choose a path where I get to serve the public.
So it's civil services.
Serving the public.
Be it whatever path.
Yeah, serving the public, because I think for me that has suddenly become the bigger motivation. It's something I do enjoy. I really enjoy. And मैं हमेशा कहता था, अगर एक की मैं help कर लूँ, I'll be glad. And then I became in a position जहाँ मैं काफ़ी की help करता हूँ, and I really like that. Although I'm not saying मैं 100% happy होऊंगा, because my creativity and financially, obviously, government, you don't make enough money.
सही है.
तो यहाँ से तो creativity side से तो मुझे पैसे वहाँ से आते हैं. So I wouldn't be happy or wealthy, but I would choose the public first.
That's great. और आपने जब अपनी पहली पोस्टिंग शुरू की,
जी.
तो क्या लोगों के रिएक्शंस थे, तासुरात हैं, मतलब ऑफिसेस के अंदर रहते हुए कि लाइक यू नो somebody who's so honest, who's so loyal and who's not going to be someone like us, तो वो उनके साथ इंडल्ज होना या उनके साथ मिलजुल के रहना, या अगर वो आपके साथ नहीं रह पा रहे हैं तो उस पर क्या कुछ तासुरात थे लोगों के कि यार हाउ आर वी गोना डील विद दिस करंट असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर?
तो जो मेरी उस वक्त जो ऑफिस थी, डीसी सेंट्रल की जो ऑफिस थी, they had an idea about me.
Okay.
A couple of weeks or a while before my posting. So उनसे मैं मिला हुआ था, hello, hi, and this and that. But to be very honest, everybody embraced me with open arms.
That's great. मुझे लगता है इसीलिए आपके काम का हमेशा चर्चा होता है.
Yeah, because I don't think I came with an attitude. I didn't have an attitude. I didn't have that.
Because usually a lot of people उनका ये होता है ना कि वो काम करने से ज़्यादा वो बाकी चीज़ों में लग जाते हैं कि किसी तरह ये हो जाए वो हो जाए. बट जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं, because like someone like you who does everything with so much of honesty, तो वैसे ही you become the eye candy for the public. यार this man, you know.
And even the staff and in general everybody, I think I'm somebody जो gatekeeper से लेके anybody, the cleaner, with all respect, चाचा कैसे हैं आप, आओ चाचा इसको चाय पे. I'm just chill with everybody. I don't have that. I'm an officer. And
I mean, this is what actually makes you Hazim.
And I think that's why people and the offices maybe. I think that's why people embraced it. They didn't see me as a threat.
Okay.
They didn't see me as a threat or somebody who's जानबूझ से हम कुछ तंग करेगा या हमें ये करेगा. हाँ, जब वो अब मैं जब बन गया था ऑफिसर एंड वो कुछ गलती करते थे, वो खुद ही ऑटोमेटिकली मान लेते थे.
और कभी आपको इस टाइप के कमेंट्स मिले कि यार द रनवे मॉडल बिकेम एन असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर? कभी ऑफिस में ऐसे वॉक करते हुए जा रहे हैं आप और पीछे से, बट इट्स नॉट मोर लाइक समबडी कम्स स्ट्रेट अवे एंड आस्क यू के सर आप तो प्रॉपर मॉडल हैं, आप क्या असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर बन गए? बट बिहाइंड योर बैक आई एम प्रीटी श्योर पीपल मस्ट बी टॉकिंग अबाउट
that I've heard through people
right?
Yeah, through people. Somebody come to my office, oh sir आपको पता है वो क्या कह रहा था, कुछ लोग आए थे. And then in my office especially, मेरी ऑफिस थोड़ी बिजी होती है in a sense. काफ़ी लोग आते हैं for help, काफ़ी आते हैं for the pictures and just to see
कि who Hazim is and how he is.
Yeah, and they make up, नहीं हमें असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर साहब से मिलना था, मेरे मसले. भाई क्या मसले हैं? उनके मसले होते नहीं.
सर एक काम करें, मसले छोड़ दें, एक पिक्चर ले लेते हैं.
So we have those, and वो बाहर जो ये conversation होती है तो उन्हें मुझे आके लोग स्टाफ बताते हैं, but never to my face.
Okay, and also ever since you joined this field, तो ये जो आपके ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल में जो चेंज है, was it before it या फिर ये सिविल सर्विसेज में आने के बाद से यू अचानक से? बिकॉज मुझे इसलिए भी लगता है people didn't know you much उससे पहले, तो ever since you got viral and people started knowing you, तो मुझे लगता है वो जो आपके फैशन का जो एक आपने चेंज दिया है मुआशरे को,
ये तो बिफोर था. एंड आई थिंक व्हेन द होल हासन बैंगवार सिचुएशन जब एक्सप्लोर कर रही थी, वो जो पिक्चर्स टाइमलाइन थी वो पुरानी थी, वो नई नहीं थी.
So this thing was in you before.
This was already happening. Yeah. मैंने रातों रात थोड़ी, जिस दिन मेरी ज्वाइनिंग हुई है
और उसके बाद बहुत सारे लोगों का ये भी होता है ना कि because usually हम जब करते हैं research about the people that we talk to, so हम सोशल मीडिया पे भी जाते हैं and then हम पोस्ट वगैरह निकाल के रिसर्च वगैरह, तो उसमें कुछ लोगों के ये वाले कमेंट्स होते हैं ना कि यार ये तो पहले बहुत सादे से इंसान थे, तो
No, not
असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर बनने के बाद इनका ये हुआ, अब इनके
No,
कपड़े
not
देखें
true.
आप।
Not
ऐसा
true.
अच्छा, कपड़ों से याद आया मुझे।
Okay.
A very interesting question by the way.
Ooh, I can see the look on your face. जी.
सिविल सर्विसेज में रहते हुए, being an assistant commissioner,
जी.
the wardrobes that you wear,
Yes.
क्या ये वो सैलरी से आप पूरा कर लेते हैं?
God, no. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Then how
नहीं.
do you afford it actually?
Through my music.
Because every event that you go to,
Yes.
you're with a new outfit, with a
Yes,
new
I am.
wardrobe.
Through my music.
Or
Through my music endorsements, my record label. Government salary में I cannot to be very honest, I cannot afford a basic lifestyle. I cannot afford proper rent and food.
then why do people say कि यार assistant commissioner, oh my god, इसके तो ये, इसके तो वो?
I think you know the answer to that question. Because
Sorry.
you get opportunities, and I'll be
Yeah.
very honest, and I think this is why I connect with public. I'm always honest, and there's always truth to it. आपको opportunities आती हैं. Now it's up to you अगर आप उनको avail करो या नहीं करो. With me, I came from a solid background, but then I worked for myself. Now my dad has lands which I've been given, inheritance. I make a lot and good, mashallah, thank God. Quite a good amount with my endorsements and photo shoots and magazine covers and multiple international podcast premieres. They pay us to go.
Yeah.
So I make a lot of money through that. And music is something आप अभी अगर कुछ गाने खरीदें, अभी कोई मैं latest, I keep generating money. So through that, इस पे if anybody thinks कि मैं assistant commissioner,
assistant commissioner की वजह से
that
ये हो रहा
is
है।
not possible at all.
Okay.
That is just not true. We make less than 2 lakhs. Less than 2 lakhs. 150 something.
Yeah, it's okay, fine. Let's not disclose the actual amount. Yeah.
So yeah, it doesn't work that way.
Okay.
No.